Hello and welcome to Remo Software. In this video, we are going to explain how to recover deleted or lost data from an SSD using Remo Recover 6.0. So, without wasting any more time, let's start the SSD data recovery process. First, download and install Remo Recover 6.0 on your computer. Then launch the software. From the home screen, select your SSD and click on the Scan button. Now, the software will start the quick scan, and upon completion, it will automatically start the deep scan to recover more files from your SSD. Click on Dynamic Recovery View to view the SSD data recovery process. The best part is, you can save the recovered files while the deep scan is in progress. Select the location of your choice where you want to save the recovered files, and then click OK. Once the deep scan is complete, you can see all the recovered files under the Lost and Found Files section and Lost Partitions section. You can also make use of the search box, filter, and advanced filter to search for the files you are looking for. Moreover, this software will allow you to preview your recovered files for free. You just need to double-click on the files to preview them within the software window. Now, checkmark the files that you want to recover and click on the Recover button. Select the location of your choice where you want to save the recovered files, and then click OK. Remo Recover will now save the recovered files to the destination location. Once the saving process is completed, the software will display the message as Saving Process Completed Successfully. Now, click on the Open Saved Files location button to access and view your recovered files. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this video helped you recover your lost files from your SSD. Don't forget to like and share this video.